Are you looking to ramp up your output, maximize your profit, and maintain quality on your next self-leveling coating or overlayment job? Your best path to increasing profits is minimizing labor costs. Investing in the right mixing and application equipment is crucial to get the most out of your crew and cover a lot of ground quickly. When a customer has a self-leveling coating application, we recommend a combination of Mega Hippo mixing stations and Pelican transfer carts. The Mega Hippo is a powerful, dependable, economical workhorse for high-quality mixing, capable of mixing 6-bag batches and featuring built-in technology to keep the job site cleaner and safer than traditional mixers. The Mega Hippo Pelican system can provide a full ROI in as little as one job. The Hippo is built to last with heavy-duty components that provide consistent operation, long life, and reliability, job after job after job. A new high-torque, 3-speed motor has the power to handle heavier aggregate and thicker, flowable material. The Hippo's large-capacity canister allows you to mix up to 6 bags at a time, or swap out the paddles to efficiently tackle half batches. The removable, flexible, reusable liner prevents cross-contamination and protects the canister. A hinged canister lid reduces splatter, and a dust extraction port offers easy vacuum connection. The Hippo fits through standard doorways with ease. Use the Hippo on level floors with casters or on rough terrain with air-filled tires. With a transport height of just 48 inches, the Mega Hippo easily fits into open bed trucks or in transport vans. Team your Mega Hippo with Pelican transport carts to move and pour full Hippo batches for the ultimate modular system. Your fleet of equipment can be mixed and matched to handle multiple small jobs in one day, or bring it all together to tackle large projects.